I rise to support the budget placed before this House by the Honorable Finance Minister. Our development objectives have been made clear in this budget, which are growth, modernization, self reliance, and social justice. For want of time, it is difficult to recapitulate the economic progress made during the last 1 year. Coming to the tax proposals straightway, even the objectives of the tax proposals have been very clearly stated in the budget. They are promoting productive employment, consumption in standards of the poor, discouraging non-essential luxury consumption, particularly when it is import intensive, providing some relief to middle class income tax payers and containing the budget deficit for the year 1989-90. If we go through all these budget proposals, they are meeting all these objectives which have been placed by the government before us. Firstly, I must congratulate the Finance Minister for proving wrong the prophecies that being the election year, he will be tempted to have populism and he will give reliefs everywhere without caring for the economy of this country. I am very happy that he has not fallen to that temptation and he has recognized the fiscal prudence which cannot be delayed anymore in this country. From this point of view, he has not doubt hit the problem of unemployment and has undertaken the Jawaharlal Nehru Rozgar Yojana. But while doing so, he has at the same time raised additional resources of rupees 500 crores for this new scheme by providing surcharge of 8% on those who can pay, that is, those who have income of more than rupees 50,000. Therefore, this is a very welcome scheme which is being placed before this House by the government. The only thing which I would like to know in this case is whether putting money for these schemes would give employment. Employment does not mean mere funds. So I would like the finance minister to give some indication about the details of the scheme, as according to me merely providing funds will not give employment. There will have to be a detailed scheme by which employment will be generated in due course of time and it will be available for those who are below the poverty line. Then he has also not fallen prey to other temptations but only provided for distribution of saris to destitute women and some child development service. Therefore, in this case also he has not merely followed the popular slogans and made this budget merely popular in the election year.